Today we are playing. Today we are playing Goose Duck. Right now, no one's loaded in. Also, 10 subscribers. Yeah, 10, only 10. That's all I'm asking for. And we will do a face reveal. Isn't that right, Lincoln? Yeah. We will do a face reveal. Also, this is Lincoln. Say hi, Lincoln. Hi. This will be our new channel. Yeah. The Gamers 2.0, because we had our first Gamers. And YouTube deleted it for no reason. Yeah. Anyway, let's get into the video. Yeah. So right now it seems that we are loading in. Yeah. Also, this game does have voice chat. So yeah. Yeah. So I think we're just waiting for the start. So we're waiting. Yeah. We'll see when it starts. Okay, we're in. Stalker. Trap 1 player. Also, this is on phone for free. Okay. What? Oh, this is. Oh. Well, I have to go to the laboratory. Which is this way. Right? Yep. Okay. What do I have to? Oh, you have to sort them.
Hi.
Hey, dude. I'm making a video right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello, Theo.
Hello. This is what no. Anyway. Okay. Hello, guys. People, hello.
I was going to say, does that portal go to the Nether?
I know who did that.
Guys, listen.
Who?
Guys, I'm making a video
No,
right
it's
now.
not blue. It's
Hey,
not
guys.
blue.
It's not blue
It's
or blue.
white.
Not
White
blue.
did that.
It's not
No,
blue
I'm
or
just
blue.
skipping. I don't.
Right,
No, I'm
okay.
skipping. I swear.
White
We're
killed
like
green.
seconds away from just turning into
Blue,
a
just
I
blue.
have a
explosion of the
feeling.
White
thing.
killed
Blue,
green.
just
Just
no.
skip. We
I
have
know
no
you're not,
proof
I know
of
you're not the
anyone.
imposter, Blue. I know
green.
you're not the imposter. Just know that blue. Just know that blue.
White killed green. I saw them right by me. He
Not me.
killed
Because I was with the
Whoa.
Nah,
Yeah.
I'm skipping. I'm skipping.
I'm skipping. Yellow vote. Okay.
I do
No,
not
it's
want to go
It's not me.
anywhere near
Listen.
white, though. I do
Blue,
not
blue. I know
trust
it's not
white
you. I know it's
at
not you,
all.
Blue. I know it's not
Oh,
you, Blue.
it's time.
Blue, I know it's
It's
not.
time.
Shut up! I know it's not you, Blue. Everyone is safe for now. Okay. Hello, Red. Red, why have you farted? Also, Red, just to let you know, I am making a video. Very
Wait,
cool.
Can I tell you something?
What? No. You can't. Change my mind. You're about to stab me right in the throat. Help me! No, help me! Anyway. This is very confusing. I've never played this game, by the way. What the hell is that? Let's go this way. I know there's a task over here.
Ah, you scared me.
You scared me? Ooh. Really? Well, I have
Bye.
to go.
How does it work?
Oh, hey, guys.
Hey,
I have a suspicion it's white. He didn't say nothing during that meeting.
yeah. I don't care.
That's why.
Yeah.
I saw them right by me.
What the hell is my task? It's here. Oh,
Don't know, I'm just dumb. We will.
What then?
We will.
what the hell? Oh. What?
I'm gonna say the truth.
Right, blue.
It's white.
Blue.
Yeah,
I knew he was him. I had a suspicion. He's sussy.
Hey, guys.
No. I need
Listen.
help.
I
I
know
actually
Hey, guys.
need help.
Yeah. What they don't
I
know
know
is
it's
I am
him.
the stalker, as you saw at the
Bet.
start.
Bet it's him.
I'm stalking
I'm not betting anything.
Orange,
but-
so if Orange dies, I'll know.
So I bet
I'm just gonna skip.
Hey guys, by the
I
way, I was in the corridor near the
Okay.
sacrificial altar.
Okay.
Just look on the map
No,
and
no,
you'll see
no,
that.
no, no.
Bye bye, Whitey.
I feel like it's not
We're
white,
gonna
and
throw you into an
we're all
oil.
gonna get killed by like orange. No!
Why the hell?
Why was that the death scene? Did we win? What? Orange!
The hell did I do?
Orange, it's you. It's
No,
you.
guys, there's two imposters. There's two imposters.
Okay?
There's
Orange.
two ducks.
Orange. Listen.
Well,
Listen.
it's not me.
Orange, if you die, I'll know. Because I'm a stalker, yeah. So, if you die, I'll know, okay?
Stalk me.
I am. So if
Okay,
you die,
but what happens if you die? What happens if you die?
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Don't kill me. This is so annoying. Yes. Oh, this is so annoying. This is my family as well. Let me do. Oh, I'm sorry, my guy. Oh my god, that took too long. We have to go up here. Oh, he's crying. He's not crying. Is it nice happening? That's true, I guess. Probably is. He can't move. Swear to God. If that guy that stalked is the imposter. What is this? Oh, you have to arrange it. Star, what's that? Star fork. Octopus. Fire. Wait. I feel like the guy that I'm stalking, because he just ran. How do people know it was, white? So I can't suspicion when. I don't really have to go all the way around. Oh my god, why am I just holding this out? Where do I have to go? Here we go. Okay, so this way. This. I don't want that.
There you are.
Hey. What?
Hello, bye. I'm going to.
Bye. Whoa!
Then who was the killer?
What's
No.
here? What's this? Oh, it's dinner. I don't want dinner.
Ah!
It's that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Prove yourself.
Bye.
Guys, listen. Blue.
Me?
You're blue. I'm blue. I know it's not you. So who's left?
Oh, I almost got locked in there. Good thing I just went out.
And it can't. Who's left?
Me, you, Charge. Pretty
No.
sure. Maroon's still alive, so 5.
Okay. I know it's. There's
Wait,
2
that's
people, but I
person.
know it's not. Oh, here he is.
Okay, so
Okay.
it's 5 of us that are still left.
Yes. Okay. Let me do my task.
Just stay-
Hold up. Oh my god, it's down here. I'm so stupid. It's here. Here we go. How do I do this? What?
Wee woo, dark the hair, wee woo.
How do you do this task?
Wee woo. Okay, no, I think I'm insane.
Oh, for it. And then. Oh, how the hell? What the hell? Don't kill me. Thank you. How do you do this task?
What? What?
How do you do this task?
Still with
What?
How do you do this?
Do what task?
This one, the make a drink task. I'm so confused. You can. Where do I tip it? What is this? You tip it into the cup.
Yeah, what are you guys doing?
No.
Wee woo, wee woo,
You
wee.
only tip the nugget what?
Okay.
Okay, so who's not with us?
What is this?
Who's not with us?
Oh my god, I did that. That took 40.
What?
All of my tasks are in the lab. Oh my god, I can't talk. Lab. But I'm going to the lab.
Who's using the farting setting?
I don't know. Oh, painting. Oh, I have to clear.
Hello.
Hello, fella. Now, how do you do this?
What?
Oh, you click. Oh, that makes sense. Blue. Should I still trust you, Blue? Wait, can I still trust you?
I'm not.
Wait, can I still trust you? I think.
What role you are?
Blue. I'm Stalker, yeah. I think it's orange.
Okay.
I think it's orange.
Okay, I trust you.
It might not. I'll stalk you, so if you die, I'll know.
I'm a celebrity, so if I die, it was him. I'm gonna stick to
What
him,
the hell?
okay? I will
Okay.
follow him, okay?
Alright, if you die, I know it's orange. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will find him.
You were a good man. I'll never forget you. I will 100% forget him. I'll probably forget him tomorrow. Anyway, guys. Anyway, like I was saying, this game is obviously very fun.
Friends.
Hello? Hello?
Find him, find him.
Okay, one sec. Orange! What the hell? I have no tasks. Where does this come from? Please help. Oh, is it like infinite tasks or something, guys? Huh? Huh? Oh, guys. Guys! Blue! Blue!
That's the whole time.
Guys,
And
Guys.
Jack
He's
too.
stuck.
Jack,
right. Yeah, I'm
he's
Stalker.
not red before.
Right, people.
I'm with him all the time.
Right. Follow me. Everyone. I saw someone walk, like, down here and walk through it. Like, walk through the bookshelf.
Is that a monster?
No, not that. It wasn't that. Someone walked through it. And it was very creepy. I've got a task in there as
But
well.
orange is out.
Huh? I knew it!
So what was the killer?
I told you! Blue, I told you! Blue. Blue, you knew it. Blue.
You're right.
I'm literally the best. I'm the best.
told you, man.
Play again. Yeah. Ping, did you die first? Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll make another video on Goose Duck. Yeah, it will be the same people. Anyway, bye!